Hi everyone, Grant K for the Smoke Learning channel. In the previous video, we started looking at the improvements to the media panel when working in a project. This included the dual panel view, creation dates, and avoiding duplicate entries. In this video, we'll be focusing on the enhanced sorting in the media panel. You can use whatever material you like to follow along, but make sure you have a few different clips to be able to sort. Now, sorting is quite crucial in order to identify clips by a specific property. This could be name, date, timecode, reel, and so on. In Smoke 2017, sorting has been enhanced on many different levels with quite a few advantages. Let's take a look. Here I have an expanded media panel with libraries, folders, and media. So if you have something similar, you are dealing with loads of clips and their metadata. If you only want to sort the clips, you would do the following. In the name column, you will see the clip sorting label on the right. By default, sorting is set to manual, which is indicated by the dash. When you click it once, the clips are sorted in ascending order. When you click it again, the clips are sorted in descending order. The third click clears the sort. What I would like to point out is that this is a global sorting operation for all the clips in every library and folder. However, the libraries and folders remain exactly how they are. We'll come back to them in a minute. You can sort by any property by clicking on the header on any column, as well as calling up the contextual menu for all the options, including the creation date. So clip sorting only sorts the clips. When you want to sort the tree hierarchy of libraries and folders, you now have the tree sorting options. This is located to the left of the name column. When you click on the dash, the tree hierarchy is arranged in ascending order. When you click it a second time, the tree hierarchy is sorted in descending order. The third click will clear the tree sorting. So you can sort either the structure of the libraries and folders, the order of the clips, or even a combination of both. If you call up the contextual menu on the tree sorting, you will see that you can sort the structure by either name or creation date. There is no other information currently associated with libraries and folders. I'll reiterate that the main tree sorting or main clip sorting affects everything globally in the media panel. But here's a question for you. What if you only wanted to sort the contents within a specific library or folder? Say for instance, you have some clips in a folder that you would just like to sort and not affect everything else. Well, the good news is that you also have localized sorting per component. For example, here I have a folder with a few clips, all manually arranged in random order. To sort this folder, you select it and call up the contextual menu. In the list, you will see Localized Sort. In that submenu, you can choose to sort any tree or subfolder structure, or you could choose to sort the clips. At the top of the list, choose Name. The clips will sort in ascending order, and the localized sort is indicated by this icon. Even if you applied global sorting to the media panel, the localized sorting takes preference within this folder. You can also toggle between ascending, descending, and manual sorting. This localized sort remains on the folder until you hold Option and click on the icon to remove it. So you could use global sorting for the entire media panel, and also have various components with their own localized sorting to match the way you want to organize your project. You can set it up any way you like. As a fair point before concluding this video, the global and localized sorting is exclusive to the media panel. In other words, if you are viewing clips in the freeform view, the sorting will only rearrange the clips in the media panel. The clip's representation in the freeform view will remain unaffected and will only change if you explicitly move them. In the final part of the media management improvements, we'll take a look at the welcome addition of advanced searching within the media panel. Comments, feedback, and suggestions are always welcome and appreciated. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the Smoke Learning channel for future videos.